What's up, Saab fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. Today it's me versus the Hirsch diffuser round 2, or the rematch, whatever you want to call it. The first time I did it was quite a bit of a struggle. Now I think I got it on lock. I have read the instructions and got some tips from you guys. And this time I think I will do it more correctly, so let's go. So to start with, we need to remove this tow hook. It's gonna be there afterwards, but when we install this we want it out of the way so we can make a nice clean cut and then put it back. So there are two 18mm bolts with nuts, and we need to remove this as well and install it afterwards. As for the connector, I didn't lose it, I just turned it down a bit so we got some free space here. So that will do it. Next step is just to pop out these reflexes, and they sit with just these clips. So you pull these clips in and then just push it out. So this is probably the part where I messed up last time. I cut out up until here, and I saved this part right here for the reflex. And when this part was trying to fit over it, right here, it couldn't fit, so I pressed it in, and I also grinded out some here. But what I have seen now is you should just cut out everything here and then just leave this plate so it has something to attach to. So this is going to be cut away, everything right here. But first we are going to cut this in the middle where the tow hook is. So before we go any further and mark up where the slots should be right here, we need to cut this off. This is very much edgier than the standard arrow one, so this plastic needs to be cut off, because if you look at the curvature of this, it goes in a lot more, so it's impossible to press this on right here, so this needs to be cut off. So this is what it looks like right now. A whole lot more plastic cut away than last time. So now we should try to clip these tabs in to the holes that we made and hope for a better fitment. I'm just going to take a 3mm drill and just make these cuts a little bit bigger. This is so much better fitment than last time, because I had to press it in. Now it sits like flush all the way and it just popped into place. So what we are going to do now is drill some holes and use some rivets to attach this so it sits. This was a whole lot easier when you did cut out as much plastic as needed. This is going to be great. This came out perfect. It sits super flush all the way. Not the same way it did before on the other car. Too bad the tow hook destroys a little bit of the appearance, but when you need it, you need it. So it's great to have one car at least with the tow hook still attached. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And be on the lookout for the next episode. Bye!